Today I'm going to share a recipe with you, which is very easy to make, but very delicious. Carne con papas. Let's get started. And the ingredients are 4 potatoes, half a cup of onion, garlic salt, bell peppers, we have the green and the red, and 1 pound of ground meat. We're going to start by washing our potatoes. Remember that the potatoes, when you buy them, they have a lot of dirt, so you want to wash them before you start peeling them. And then peel your potatoes one by one. Take your time. Enjoy the process. Once you're done peeling your potatoes, go ahead and rinse them one more time and then start cutting them in little cubes. As you're cutting the potatoes, make sure to add them in a bowl with cold water, and this will prevent them from oxidizing, from turning brown. By now you already have your pan with approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil and very hot. So start adding your meat and just try to break it apart as much as you can so that it can so that you don't end up with big chunks of meat. And now it's time to add our garlic salt. I have like a tablespoon of garlic salt. Keep mixing, trying to break apart the meat. And cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes in medium low. And then right here I already added the bell peppers. Now I'm adding the onions, and you want to cook the onions until they're translucent. So we're at the last step here. I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes, and I'm going to start mixing everything. I want everything very well integrated so that the potatoes will soak all that flavors from the meat. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, and what this will do, it will create steam, and once you cover your pan, it will help with the cooking of the potatoes. And what we want to do is to end up with potatoes that are in one piece instead of a pureed. And look at this, this is delicious. And here is the final product. So I hope you like this video. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time.